Have you ever wondered how many cars your favorite car brand produces each year? Well, wonder no more. We've compiled a list of the top car brands and how many cars they produce annually. First up, we have Toyota, the world's largest car manufacturer. In 2020, Toyota produced over 10 million cars, making it the clear leader in car production. Next on the list is Volkswagen, producing over 6 million cars in 2020, followed closely by Hyundai, producing just over 5 million cars. Moving on to the American car brands, General Motors produced just over 4 million cars in 2020, while Ford produced just under 4 million. In the luxury car market, BMW produced just over 2 million cars, while Mercedes-Benz produced just under 2 million. In the electric car market, Tesla produced just over 500,000 cars in 2020, showing impressive growth in recent years. But wait, there are more car brands to consider. In the Asian market, Honda produced over 4 million cars in 2020, while Nissan produced just under 4 million. In the European market, Renault produced just over 2 million cars, followed by Peugeot with just under 2 million. And let's not forget about the luxury Italian car brands. Ferrari produced just over 9,000 cars in 2020, while Lamborghini produced just over 7,000. Overall, it's clear that Toyota leads the pack in terms of car production, but each brand has its own unique strengths and offerings. Whether you're looking for a reliable family car or a high-performance sports car, there's a brand out there for you. In the American market, Chrysler produced just over 1.5 million cars in 2020, while Chevrolet produced just over 2 million. In the German market, Audi produced just over 1.5 million cars, while Porsche produced just over 200,000. And let's not forget about the Japanese car brands. Mazda produced just over 1.2 million cars in 2020, while Subaru produced just over 1 million. Lastly, we have the British luxury car brands. Rolls-Royce produced just over 3,700 cars in 2020, while Bentley produced just over 11,000. With so many car brands and models to choose from, it's important to do your research and find the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or reliability, there's a car brand out there that's perfect for you.